Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we have another trading session with binary options on the platform called Quotex. The link is going to be in the description to this video, so make sure to use that, as well as the Telegram group where you can find signals, trading information, indicators, explanations, and a lot of just useful info for your own experience while you're trading with binary options and trading in general. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and let's get to the video of today. So today we're gonna start with just $5, and then straight away I'm gonna use a call option here because I see that there is a pullback, but generally there is a bullish trend. So on this pullback I am using the situation and making this call option because I know that this is a pullback and the price will go up from previously looking at the bullish trend. Then there's a pullback, actually the double pullback there, and basically the price starts to go back up. So this is the idea behind this decision. So let's wait for the result. Here's the first profit. It's not too huge. It's $9.35, and we're gonna go next with $9 for our next option. As you can see, the price is going up, just as I said on this one. Let's go for the next option, which is this currency over here. Also, there is a bullish trend really, but you can see that actually the price is going down at the moment. There's a couple of pin bars there, and I can see that this looks as a bear trend starting, maybe because also the market was overwhelmed in the overheated zone as well. So, and by looking at the stochastic also, there is a trend indication for the bear trend. Actually, this one here looks also nice. Over here I'm gonna go ahead and choose put option, because also we see a bear trend, and for now I think we have time still for it to develop even lower, but let's see, let's wait for the result of this one. And here is our second profit, $16.83. So the next option we can do is, let's have a look, $17, and we shall do that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So you can see that this played, although it's a bit tricky on this one. The price is still going down, but I don't think it's gonna happen for long. Since we have only 1 minute time, it's enough for us to use this situation and do as we did, that put option. But the next you see is what will happen probably is that this price is in the oversold area. The price of this asset of this currency is very low at this point, and that's when everyone starts to buying at low price, and therefore it starts growing. So basically it's that. If I would have longer time, let's choose next currency. Let's get this one, 87% payout. And over here I have a nice indication that the price would go down from stochastic oscillator. Zigzag is actually showing the price is going up, but then it's not drawing yet, but likely it's gonna draw a line down. But here, first of all, let's put this $17. First of all, there is a stochastic indication that the price will go down. So let's make our put option 1 minute and $17. And then also zigzag, a line is acting as a support level, which we just broke down. which means so kind of the same as it's a mirror of the well, not mirror, it's the same as the stochastic two lines. So we see the green line is our candles, the green line it's our market, and then the slower line is our zigzag line, and it crosses it down same as it does its stochastic, and there we are. The price is going, well, it goes down, so it will probably still do, but let's have a look. Maybe, I mean, we definitely have time here, I think. Yes, we do have time, so here it is, $31.79 of profit on this option. So the next one is going to be $32, and let's see. Let's choose this currency. So we see a nice bull trend started here, and this here is a really strong candle. So therefore a call option here for 1 minute, and yeah, this is a nice situation where you can be almost sure that it will happen. So the stochastic was also showing price going up, so let's wait for the result of this one. Here is the profit, $59.84. This is already something. We have $60 on our balance, which we're gonna use for our next option. I'm gonna put $60, and let's see. Let's go to this currency over here. Okay, so there is a kind of a pullback there. So I'm gonna go for a call option since we have a nice bull trend overall happening, and I think this is a pullback, and now the price is gonna go back up. As you can see, this long candle, and there we are. The zigzag had also had drawn its line. The price is going up, but again, it was kind of a ascending triangle as well, if you look at it. So from there I think the price is gonna go up. So let's wait for the result. Here is the profit. This is already getting pretty good, $112. So the next option is gonna be 112. I've already put it down. That's how sure I was about this option. And as you can see, that was the correct. As you can see, the amount is about the same as this ascending triangle. So here, 112 for 1 minute. I see that there is a so there's a couple of situations here. First of all, we have bounce off a resistance level. Second is we have again broke down the zigzag line, and we have broke down the slower line on the stochastic oscillator. Therefore we have a few situations, and then again, as you can see, this is a pretty strong red candle, so a pretty solid bear mood. So we'll go for a put option obviously for 1 minute, and let's wait for the results. So this was pretty close, $209.44. It was so close of not working out. So here again, this situation here is that we're meeting with the support level, and therefore it bounced off as well. Wow, this is a pretty nice situation. We're gonna go ahead and make a call option here. There's a clear bullish trend, and we're gonna use that. Let's go and let's wait for the results. here is our nice profit of $392. So we're gonna have our next option with that amount. As you can see, it started growing exponentially. The bigger the amount we put for each option, the bigger the payout. Obviously, the payout here is 87%. On this one is 81. So it's a pretty big payout. So if we do correct options and let's just make this quick option here. So let's explain this quickly. So I see also the support levels that have been, it's not exact, but more or less we can make a support level there. And the price had started going up, so it looks like as a bullish mood right now until it meets and touches with the resistance level. There is time, so we're trying to use this gap in between to make our option. Since it's 1 minute time, I think we're in a good position here, so let's wait for the results. But I was saying that each time that we make an option and use the entire balance, or the entire let's say the entire winnings of each option, and here we are, we have the profit 709. As you can see, it grows substantially, so $710 for the next option. And we're gonna go ahead and let's see, 710, let's choose this one. And okay, so I would go ahead and go into short here. I would short here. Why? Because let's make this option here now before it goes down, and let's put 1000. So because the price right now has been in the overheated position, let's say in the overbought and oversaturated basically, and it doesn't hold for that long in there. It burns out, the price burns out. The people start selling when it's high, when the price is overpriced of any asset. In this case, it's a currency. So and when people start selling, the price basically is starting to lose. The asset is starting to lose its value because it's been sold. People don't want to hold it. In this situation, the price goes down, and this is what's happening here. As you can see, it works out. So let's wait for the rest of the time of this option, and I'm pretty positive. And here we are. We didn't have to wait for long. I spoke through the most of it. So yeah, here is our nice profit for today. It's $1,327. Therefore, we can use a $1,000 next for our option. And let's do that. Let's go to this currency over here, and let's go ahead and use a put option here for 1000 for 1 minute. So basically the idea behind this is that we see a resistance level. It's one of the resistance levels, so the one in the middle. And from that resistance level, we didn't break it through. It didn't have enough power, so it starts to collect underneath it. It starts to go into the flat. And right here for now, I think 1 minute is enough for us to use this situation as it lowers a little bit. But in a few minutes time, it will go back up, because there is an indication when it starts collecting underneath a resistance level. In this case, it's a good, as you can see, we just made it. It's a good opportunity for it to collect some power, collect some weight, and then some value, and then go in with a strong bullish trend. And as you can see, that's exactly what's happening. Look, it's exactly what's happening. That's it. So let's go. We just made a nice profit, guys. I'm sure you can see the balance now. So we're gonna go ahead and make the next option. Right now, I'm gonna go and do a long for 2000. Let's go in the call option, because I look at the stochastic oscillator. It's showing me that the price will go up, as well as the bullish trend and a pullback. So we're making our option on the pullback, expecting it to grow still with the bullish trend, to continue with the bullish trend. So let's wait for the results. And here are profit, guys. As you can see, we just made 87% on the $2,000, which makes our balance pretty great already, 3,877. Let's see, this looks like a descending triangle. So I'm gonna go in for a call option 3,000, and again, there is an indication from stochastic oscillator for this, and as well as we are entering into the maximums. If we break this resistance level, which I think we should, then we're entering into the maximums zone. So let's hope this works out, because it's pretty volatile there. But again, it still acts as a basically we don't have our zigzag drawn yet, but we do have the stochastic, which, so right now I think the price is gonna go and break this resistance level. At least we have time. As you can see, we had time for it. But I'm pretty sure there is a nice bullish trend growing there. We had made a nice profit for today. This session was pretty good. I mean, we started with $5, and as you can see, by using the compound percent, you can make this balance that is pretty incredible if you think about it. But this is how the compound percentage works. It works in the investing. If you look at the biggest investors, that's what they do. They reinvest their earnings to make the this effect of the compound percent, because then your wealth grows exponentially. In this case, we're using it for binary options. So guys, we're gonna stop here. Balance for today is pretty incredible. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you all next time. Good luck and goodbye.